Hi everyone, I am going to make a recipe for a gallbladder cleanse, which if you have any gallstones in your gallbladder, it will flush them out. It's a 3-day treatment. It's a natural treatment. So I'm going to show you how to make it. Sometimes you have gallstones in your gallbladder. A lot of people think it's because of a fatty diet, but it's not really true. It is really a high cholesterol diet that you follow, and then your gallbladder is the one that has the vial that your liver gets out of the body, so it goes to the gallbladder, the vial, and it concentrates right there, and that's the function of the gallbladder. So when a high cholesterol diet, when you have a high cholesterol diet, the gallbladder, it diminishes, it gets less, and the cholesterol is more, and it becomes in like crystals, crystals or rocks, and like little pebbles and stuff, and they form there. So when you have a lot of concentrated and you don't have any vial, that's when the problem comes, because they need to get out, because the body needs to somehow get rid of it, and that's when you're going to start having the pain and all these things. So it doesn't have a vial, so it has just the gallstones there. So that's why you need to take care of it. I am not in favor of taking out the gallbladder. It's something that it was put in there in our bodies by God. I'm a Christian, and I believe it's there for a reason, and it's a purpose. It has a function. So if you go to the doctor and they say, let's take your gallbladder out, do this recipe first. There's another recipe that I'm gonna do later on. So it's a little more, it's about 14 days. So this is just 3 days. Now you're going to take this 3 days and on an empty stomach, and with a light diet that day. It should be a very light diet during those 3 days, or the week actually. I'm going to explain how to do it. Now you're going to need, the ingredients are about 24 flowers of chamomile flower. If they're fresh, like in my country, I can get them fresh, but I'm sure in the United States it's very hard to get them fresh. So I guess the dry will do about 24 of these little flowers. I just kind of go like this, or if you want to count the 21 flowers of chamomile flowers. Okay, you're going to need oil. You're going to need extra virgin olive oil. The good thing, the good stuff, extra virgin. You're going to need 8 tablespoons of that. So let's just go ahead and start doing it. So I already have it here. So what you're going to do is you're going to heat it. Let me turn the camera over here. You're going to heat it, but do not, I already put everything in here. Do not let it boil. Do not let it boil, because it will be a little bit toxic. It won't do you any harm or anything, but it will be a little bit toxic. So what you want to do is just warm it up. Warm it up so the oil will infuse, will be infused with the chamomile, okay? So just let it warm it up a little bit and just wait. Wait for a few minutes until it cools down so you can drink it. Now that's one part. And then the next part will be a glass of orange juice. Fresh orange juice. Do not get the concentrated thing, just fresh orange juice. So I have 5 oranges right here, and that will make about a glass of orange juice. So you want to do that. So while this is cooling, I am going to go ahead and do the juice, make the juice. I said, on an empty stomach. A very light diet in the next week or so. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna, just get the oil. You're gonna strain it. So you drink just the oil. Okay. Now you're gonna do this three times, but every other day. Okay. Like I started every other day. So I started on Sunday. I did my first one, and I rested on Monday, and then I rested on Monday, and then on Tuesday I did another one and rested yesterday, and today I'm gonna do my second. So now, so you're gonna drink this and then follow with the orange juice. Now you're gonna keep an eye on your stools in the toilet to see if you see any pebbles, any rocks, any gallstones. And so this is a cleanse of the gallbladder. You can do this even though if you're not diagnosed with anything, you can do it as a cleanse. So don't be afraid of like, oh, I'm not, I haven't gone to the doctor. I am doing this because I feel myself, I feel something, maybe might be wrong there. So I'm doing it. So it's not going to harm you if you do it without a diagnosis, So don't worry about it. It's a cleanse. So look for the gallstones in the gallbladder. And I hope it works. I'm not against doctors. I think doctors are here. Got to put them in this earth, with the knowledge and everything for a reason. But I also believe that you can do a lot of things natural treatments at home. So this is a very simple recipe, a very simple thing to do. It will save you from maybe, going and having your gallbladder removed. So it's a good news, it's a good thing. So thank you for watching, and I am going to be posting on this channel, like I said on my other video, health remedies, and along with the vegan recipes. So thank you for watching, and I hope you try it. It's not bad. It's really good. It's a little bit bitter. This is a little bit bitter, but it's fine. And it's fine. It's not going to harm you or anything. All right. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.